GMT for the most part rose 42.29% in 7 days, which really is genuinely huge. Bull controlled GMT's certainly current cost activities, which especially is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN sort of is floating at $688,912,110, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Current STEPN cost in a real sense is $0.6208 July 2023. In this video, we will essentially walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and really attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What generally is transient cost expectation for STEPN in a real sense? Is GMT a very wise speculation? For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, which by and large is very huge. Yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination, let us discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an unobtrusive manner. The very all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $20,577,638,440. So 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN generally is drifting at $688,912,110. Which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level, after a decay of 0.54% in a huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, so 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN is drifting at $688,912,110 in a really significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period. Or so they especially thought. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.66 and right now exchanging at 47 cents, exhibiting how market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is genuinely huge. These occasions fundamentally show that the market most certainly is going in a by and large descending, heading for a specially present moment, which especially is genuinely critical. Right now, an exceptionally broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially is very critical. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they really thought. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly more kind of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how current STEPN cost generally is $0.6208 July 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for most certainly 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What explicitly is most certainly transient cost expectation for STEPN? Especially is GMT a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors really move genuinely dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how the very complete exchanging volume stands at $20,577,638,440. So 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN truly is drifting at $688,912,110 in in every practical sense, significant way. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, especially is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 42.29% throughout the week, which basically shows that following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, truly is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week in a fundamentally huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 688,912,110.00 United States dollars. While sort of complete market cap came to $369,248,871 United States dollars, which explicitly shows that current STEPN cost by and large is $0.6208 July 2023. In this video we will really walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Clarified pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is transient cost expectation for STEPN? Truly is GMT a very wise interest in a sort of huge manner. There generally are very nearly 600 million in every practical sense, are available for use out of 6 billion in a truly significant manner. STEPN value examination GMT cost investigation for 08 July 2023 inside a day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of beneath, which especially is very critical. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Break down the future development of the STEPN. So GMT truly rose 42.29% in 7 days, which all things considered, is very critical. The genuinely relative strength list, RSI, shows that the GMT coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 37, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, while GMT's Williams % R pointer basically is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially signal in every practical sense, is entirely conceivable at this reach, showing how right now, a fundamentally broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally is very huge. The MACD line essentially is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, showing